going on, guys? Today we're talking about our holiday lighting demo kit from Thunder Lighting Supply. We're just going to go through what products are in it, how they work, and how they can jumpstart your season to make some stick money this year. Ta-da! So inside of our holiday light demo kit, we've got a ton of cool products that we're going to show you guys, and this is going to become the bread and butter of what you're going to use to jumpstart your holiday lighting business this season. So first, let's talk about our mini lights. In your demo kit, you have a set of mini lights. The mini lights are a standard green wire with regular male plug, and these mini lights are going to showcase the different colors that we offer, including warm white, pure white, cool white, as well as a multicolor strand. That way you can show your customers the most common colors people use in their project. This is a 6-inch spacing, 50 light count strand, which means it's going to be 25 feet long, 6-inch space between each light, and it's going to be your bread and butter for your projects. Next thing we're going to find in here is our C9 bulbs. Now, C9 bulbs are what you're going to use when you have a customer call you and say, hey, I want lights in my house. This is going to be your go-to on the roof of the house. So we gave you guys a bunch of different sample colors, including all of our different warm whites. That way you can use this as your sales kit when you go to the customer's houses to sell the jobs. You can show them all the different color combinations that you can make and provide to them. Unfortunately, the C9 bulbs don't just plug into an outlet. So we're going to need to use our C9 socket cord, which is normally sold in a bulk roll of 500 or 1,000 feet. In your kit, you should have 10 feet. You're going to use this to light up your lights. Now, as you noticed, it's got no plug on the end. That's because this comes off of a giant roll that you can go ahead and cut as you need to make everything custom fit to the houses that you're designing. So we're going to take our C9 socket cord and we're going to take our male slide plug. We're going to take the top off of our male slide plug, flip the end of our socket cord. Then we're going to stick that down in the end like that. Fold it over the top, slide the cap back on, making sure we put it on the right way. And we can now go ahead and plug our lights in. Now, the secret to getting a perfect roof line every time is putting a clip on each bulb. So this is our shingle tab, mostly used for shingles on the fronts of ridges and gables. And again, just take your bulb, screw it right through the shingle tab into your socket. Next, we have a flex clip. Flex clips are what you're going to primarily use on your gutter. For these, you're just going to take your bulb, screw it in to your socket, just like that. Next, very common clip we have is our ground stake. On your ground stake, you're going to find the prong that has a slit in it. You're going to find the clip on your socket. You simply pop it in, just like that. Screw your bulb right in the top. Next, we have our peak clip or our ridge clip. This clip is going to have the socket sit inside of it, just like that, and screw your bulb right in the top. Next, we have one of our more specialty niche clips, which is going to be our chip clip. This is going to be used for specialty applications such as metal roofs, around vinyl siding, around windows, door frames, edges of houses. And it's great because it's got a clip on it and you could screw the bulb in either direction depending on what's going to best fit your application that you have that you're doing. Similar applications to all of our other clips, you're going to take the bulb right through the clip into the socket. Lastly, in here, we do have a V2 clip. This is a older style of a gutter clip, but it does have a nice tight bite on it. So sometimes when you get some weird sized gutters, this is still a good option of a clip you can go with. And the last thing we have in here is called our parapet clip. The parapet clip is going to sit right on the edge of a commercial roof, and it's going to slide right in and out of your shingle tab. If you want to find out more about this clip, there's plenty of other videos on it, so click here. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to end off our line. So just like we started with the male, we're going to end it with a female. We take our female slide plug, open it up, take our wire, flip the end, stick it in, hold it over the top, slide your female cap right on, just like that. Now, there are a couple other things in here. We did give you a piece of what's called zip wire. This is blank jumper wire that you can put your own males and females on to make extension cords as you need to, as well as a piece of C7 cord. Again, this is also a 12-inch spacing cord, which means there's 12 inches between each socket, and some C7 bulbs, just so you can show the customer the difference between C9s and C7s. Last thing you'll see in here is this nice handy dandy catalog. This is going to go ahead and show you all of the products that we have and the pricing on them. And if you guys want your own custom catalogs for your business, if you open up to the back, scan the QR code right there, you could drop your logo, your business contact info in there, and you can option to get 25 free catalogs printed and shipped to you guys. If you have any other questions about any of the products in your box, how they work together, feel free to reach out, 631-803-XMAS.